Hey gang, I just got this one in. This is a 2020 Gladiator S. This thing is absolutely beautiful, over the top. Has the S package. It has 16,000 miles. It has about $11,000–$12,000 in upgrades. The tires, the wheels, the winch, the skid plates. You can see the front and rear bumpers. I personally drove this car yesterday. You would think with the big tires it'd be loud. It's not. It runs and drives beautiful. Handles really nice. Has the heated seats. It is automatic. I'll show you the inside. It is a local car. You can see all the features. I mean, this thing is absolutely beautiful, well taken care of. Music roll bar. A really nice quality suspension. Has all the bells and whistles. And you can see underneath of it. I don't know if it's ever even been off-road. I think it's more of a show truck. You see all the stuff right here. Give us a shout if you're interested. Call Maguire & Sons. My name's Tim. 757-675-0288. We have financing. We have warranties. We can take trade-ins. Whatever you have. Thanks for looking at it. Give us a shout. Bye.